Hello guys, and welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together today, and it is the time for today's training activities. Okay, and of course for the past few days we've been looking at how we can use the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to trade successfully within the platform. Okay, how we can use it to trade boom and crash successfully, and every day I also use the opportunity to share some trading results, some of my trading results on the Telegram channel, and I also update you on some trading activities that you too can also take part in. Okay, so that way you get to see what I'm trading, and you too can also follow through with it using your 3M trend Milka indicator. So far so good. For the past few days now, I think we started on Monday. From Monday till date, we've been able to make over $9,000. Personally, I've been able to make over $9,000, going to $10,000, and of which I believe I'm going to get to by the end of today. Okay, so I keep on sharing my trading results on the platform and on the Telegram channel, and so many people have also benefited from it because they get to see, I share it periodically, they get to see it as I'm sharing it, so they see what I'm trading, and they take advantage of the market that way, and they've been able to make some cool cash with that. I love this week because we've been dishing out training videos on how you can use the 3M trend Milka indicator to make some profit for yourself within the platform. And we are also, while we are learning, we are also making some money for ourselves. Okay, because you get to see what I am the asset I am trading and how I'm making my results. Then you are also making your results using the same trading tools called 3M trend Milka indicator. Okay, so that is it. And of course we will also continue from there today, and we will see how we can use the indicator successfully. There are a few things I just need to add to it, so I will be sharing that in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand the strategies shared there, and of course do your personal practice on your demo account very well. Make sure you understand how to use it very well before you start using it on your real account. That is very, very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we started this training earlier on, and of course it's been an amazing opportunity for us. So just like you guys have known, for you to trade this asset, we've not even focused on the spiky part of it. We are just trading the normal trend, and that was what we did throughout this week. And I've been sharing my result on the Telegram channel, so if you are not on the Telegram channel, you can join so that you can be a part of the activities going on also on the Telegram channel. Okay, so what we have been doing so far is just trading the normal trend for boom and crash. Okay, we have an advantage right here with boom and crash. The reason is there are 6 different assets under this, so you don't need, this is very, very important. I just need to let you know some of these things, okay, so that you will understand how to go about it. You don't need to force yourself into the market if you are not seeing the right signal. Probably it has gone late already before you seeing the trend. Okay, there are some areas that you don't even need to go into the market at all, okay, because it has, the time has gone already, so you just allow it to give you another opportunity. That is why you have 6 different assets you can trade. Okay, it is possible. There was a particular time there was a particular day that's even in this week that I made the whole of a $1,000 from a single asset. The reason is our other assets were not giving me the right entry points to come in. Okay, so I wouldn't like to risk some of the trades, okay, at that particular point. So why wasting my time on a trade that will take so much of my time, or not giving me peace of mind, when I have the one that can give me peace of mind while I trade it? Okay, it's not compulsory I make the same amount of money or the same amount of profit I made yesterday today. Okay, no, it's not compulsory. So I don't need to force myself into the market. I need to look for the right opportunity to go into the market. Okay, I'm not going to say that because the market is on uptrend I will now look for a way to go into the market. No, I don't have to do that. I need to wait for the right time to go into the market. That was why I think on Sunday I made $2,000 plus. On Monday I made $3,000 plus, almost $4,000. Then on Tuesday I made 1,000. You can imagine, from 4,000, from almost 4,000 to 1,000. You can imagine, guys. On Wednesday I still made above 1,000. I didn't get to 2,000. So the markets I was getting at that point were not giving me a tradable situation, so I don't need to force myself into the market. So the ones that I can do were the one that gave me the profit. Okay, even yesterday I made close to $2,000. I made about $1,900. That was the highest I made so far after the initial 3,000 plus that I made. Okay, so after that I'll be making 1,001, 1,002. Then yesterday I made 1,900. So you can see that. Okay, so it is not compulsory that you make the same amount of money as that what you make yesterday. If the market is not that suitable, just pick the ones you can pick and leave the market. Okay, you don't need to force yourself into the market. So these are some of the things that you will learn to avoid. Okay, probably in my next video, maybe in my next training videos, I will be sharing with you things you should avoid in the market. Okay, when you should go into the market, when you should exit the market. Like I used to tell you, this is crash 1000. The best time to trade it is when the market is on uptrend, but the best entry point is around here. Okay, if you miss here and the market is still within this region, you can still enter. But right here, it has gotten to a major resistance zone, so anything can happen around here. So even though it is giving us a buy signal and it is giving us a greenish flag, that does not mean you should go into the market right from here. If you are not in the market before, right from here, I don't expect you to go into the market again. Okay, I don't expect you to go into the market again, even though it is still buying, but I still don't expect you to go into the market again, because it is already around a major resistance zone at this point. So you've missed out from here. What were you looking at when the market was around here? Okay, when the market was around here, if you missed out all this period and it has gotten to a major, very close to a major resistance zone, then you shouldn't you shouldn't force yourself into the market again, because anything can happen around there. That is why some people will tell you that the market was on uptrend when I picked the trade. It was on uptrend and the green was showing, everything was showing buy and things like that, and I decided to go into it. No, it has gotten to a major resistance zone already, so you don't need to force yourself. You can imagine, because it has been buying since I now decided to place an order right here. You can see that it just spiked. You can see how long this spike was. Okay, so you can imagine this will have given me a lot of loss at this point, and if my capital is not strong enough, definitely I will be losing a lot of money, and this might be the beginning of the downtrend. Okay, so this is just a small spike that is happening, because if this is the beginning of a downtrend, then definitely so many spikes will still happen, and it might be getting to this support zone. It will have to get to a major support zone, which is going to be around here, before it will stop. Okay, before you can now have a total reversal in price action. So you don't want to endanger your account, your account in such situation. Okay, so it is better you come in around here when you have the whole opportunity, the the support, it has just gotten off the support, and because it was unable to break out from the support, it is just going into a new trend, which is going to be a buy trend. And let's say it even gets to this region and it pulls back. For instance, let me use this. Let's say you decide to come in here, around here. Okay, you can see you were already thinking that, okay, it is going on buy trend. Okay, and it got to this region, you can see, and it came down. Already you know that it is already going on a buy trend. Okay, but it got to this resistance, it was unable to break out from there, and it came down. You should be having a rest of mind that it will definitely go back up, because it is already around a major support zone. Even if it's going to break out from this particular support zone, it won't go too far before it will reverse back, because it's going to meet up with another support zone, and which is going to be another major one, and that way it will have to pull back. So you only need to wait for a while before it will start pulling back. Okay, so, and look, check it out, it got to this this second support zone. It was unable to break out from there, but it went back up, and this time around got to your entry point. This is your entry point, got to your entry point, and of course went up. This is where it spiked from, and of course it still went above it, and all these will be profit for you. So that is why I said, if you are going to come in around the major support zone. How do you know the major support zone? If you should check the last trading activities, check out where it's started, where it stopped from. You can see right here it stopped around there, and it started going up, and definitely once the market is approaching there, then you should know that it is getting to a major support zone. And at that point, if you get a green flag like this and a buy signal, then you should know that it is the right time for you to go in. The same thing is applicable to boom. For boom also, it is very, very important to take note of this. Okay, so you can see the market is around the resistance zone right here, which is a major resistance zone. So if it gives you a sell signal at that point, and of course a sell trend, then definitely you should know that it will keep on selling for a very long time, just the way it happened. But once the market is approaching a major support zone around here, I expect you to stay out of the market. In case you have not been trading all this while and you notice that the market is already getting to this region, you should stay out of the market. Even if it still keep on selling and selling, do not risk it. Stay out of the market, because anything can happen around there. You won't know when there will be a total reversal in price action. You will only think that it is still selling, since it is still on downtrend. It might not sell for a very long time, because it is already around a major support zone, and at that point it will be fighting the support zone to see if it will break out from there. But if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will have a total reversal in price action, and that was what happened around here. You can see it fought it around here, was unable to break out from there. Then right here it broke out from this particular one, but was unable to break out from this, and this led into a full uptrend. You can see it has gone up. Okay, so you don't need to force yourself into the market. So let's quickly use this to round up everything. Okay, right here, if you want to sell boom, okay, if you want to sell boom, you know the market should be on downtrend. Okay, and definitely this is on uptrend. It has been on uptrend, but at this point it has gotten to a major resistance zone. Okay, so very soon we should be expecting a total reversal in price action around there. That is if it does not break out from that support zone. So wait for it to start selling, wait for this red flag to start showing from here, and wait for the sell arrow to pop out before you jump into the trade. Okay, and sometimes it will pop out and you will sell, and it won't go for a very long time before it will go back up. It might get to this region and it will go back up to try out this support zone again, this resistance zone again. If it breaks out from there, then it will continue buying to the next resistance zone, but if it does not, it will go back again, and that way it will go fully into a downtrend, because once it breaks out from this support zone, it will go fully into a downtrend. So that is very, very important. So it will soon start selling. It might not be in the next 1 hour or 2 hours, but it will start selling today. Okay, so you should watch out for this particular one called boom 1000. Let's check out boom 500 quickly. Boom 500 has been selling right from this resistance zone, which is a major one. You can see it got to this region. This was a typical one I was trying to explain to you the other time. It got to this region. You can see the pullback. There will always be pullback. You don't expect it to be going down directly, and there are some times that the pullback will be a major one, that is, it will go for a very long time, and there are some times that it will be a minor one. This was a major pullback. Okay, so it got to this region, was unable to pull through this resistance zone, so it went back into a downtrend. And right here, this is not it, even though it's still on downtrend, but it is not the best time for you to come in again. This is not the best time for you to come in again, because it has gotten to a major support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it pulled back. So this is very close to a major support zone. Okay, so it will be trying out the support zone again. It is very close to a major support zone, but you need to have this at the back of your mind that anything can happen around there. So stay away from selling boom 500 at the moment. Okay, stay away from selling boom 500, because it will soon be crashing. I mean, it will soon be spiking up any moment from now. Okay, let's check out crash 1000. I'm just giving you these tips just for you to know how easy it is to do your analysis using the 3M trend milker indicator. With all the training that we've been dishing out for the past few days, I believe you should have a full knowledge of how to use this, most especially with the fact that we have been trading together on the Telegram channel. Of course, we will also trade today, even though the entry point for all the markets are not suitable, as in we are not getting the right entry point at the moment, but some of them will soon we start giving us a good entry point any moment from now. Okay, the best time to come in is around here. You can see it right here, is around here guys, but it has gone far from that, and of course, as we can see, it has gotten close to a major resistance zone around there, and right here it got to this region, and of course it was unable to break out from there, led to this very long crash down, and you can see our sell signal popping out. So definitely we will be experiencing some spiky or crashing candles around here. Okay, so this is not the best time for us to trade crash 1000. We can stay away from there, except if you want to trade the spiky part of it. This is the best time to enter for spikes around crash 1000. Okay, then make sure you use a reasonable lot size for it. Okay, so this is crash 500. Let's check it out quickly. The best time to come in around there, if you are not trading the spiky part, is around here. Okay, around here, sorry, is around here, but we have missed out from there. It has really gone up. You can see those that were using the 3M trend milker indicator will have used this to milk the market for a very long time, but the market played around there for a while before breaking out above it. Probably here is a major resistance zone. Not even probably, here's a major resistance zone. So it tried it out several times, but finally broke out above it, because the support was also very strong. Okay, it was having a very strong support, so it was unable to break through below the support zone. So that is why I said you should stay away from the market at this point. Okay, because what if it breaks out below the support zone? This is how it will go down. Okay, but right from here it broke out above the resistance zone, which is normal. Such is also normal. It does not mean it's not respecting the price action. No, that's not the reason. Okay, but it just broke out from there and it went above. It got to this resistance zone, and of course right from there it pulled back again, and this time around it is trying it out. If it breaks out from this resistance zone again, then it will continue with the buy trend, but if it does not break out from there, then definitely it is most likely it goes into a sell trend right from there. So it might be crashing any moment from now. So this is not a best time. It is not the best time for you to trade this asset also. Okay, so you wait for a new opportunity for it. So the only one that is still giving us a very good signal is that of boom 1000, but we need to wait for it to start selling before we can go into the market, because it is already at a major resistance zone. So let's wait for it to start selling. If it's unable to break this resistance zone, then you can now come in. So that is what I always tell you. You don't need to force yourself into the market. We've analyzed 4 different assets right now. We didn't analyze that of 300 indices, but we analyzed 4 different assets, and we've not seen a clear signal to go into the market. Okay, most of them have gone too far. Okay, I want to make money, I love making money, but I'm not going to force myself into the market. I will have to wait for the right time, because I hate losing money. So you should have this mentality in your head. You should train yourself up to this level. You don't need to force yourself to the market. Give yourself a break. If you have been trading from Sunday till date and you've made a lot of profits like I have done, then like I did, then definitely you can take some time to play around, give yourself a break, watch Netflix, play with friends and family. And of course, when it is time for you to trade, it's not compulsory for you to make up to $1,000. Even if it's just $200 I will be making today, I am cool with that. Okay, but you can see, let's say we had come in around here and we didn't wait for the right time. You can see that it just spiked up. Okay, you can see that, guys. That is why you need to apply knowledge. Anything can happen. It is at the resistance zone. Of course, the normal school, the normal trading sense will tell you that, okay, it has gotten to a major resistance zone, so it should pull back, or it should have a reversal in price action. But do not forget the other aspect of it, that it can also break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so all these are normal. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, it does not mean it's not respecting the price actions. It is just that the forces behind the buy trend is more stronger than the resistance zone, so it broke out from there, so it is normal. So let's wait until we get the right signal to trade. So for those of you looking up for my trading activities within the resistance, within the Telegram channel, then definitely we might be having a slow update today. It is better we have a clearer picture of what we want to do before we go into it. I decided to take my time to explain all this to you today, because today's training activities on the 3M trend milker indicator will come to an end today. Okay, of course we will still be using the 3M trend milker to do our analysis in other videos, and of course to do some training activities, but I dedicated this week to you guys, so that you guys will understand how to use the 3M trend milker indicator. I'm not talking about the indices, I'm talking about the indicator alone in this week, and today will be the concluding part of the training section. So I love you guys. Thank you guys for following through, and keep on milking the market. Keep on making the market. And you can also join the Telegram channel to see my updates on my trading activities. I'll be doing this every day using the 3M trend milker indicator, so that you guys will know how to use it more, and you will be able to milk the market with it. And you can also share your results with me, just the way you have been doing. I love seeing positive results like that. Okay, so all these things usually encourage me to do more. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.